Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor model and ensuring firmware is compatible. This affects available auto functions. Once powered and connected with HDMI or DisplayPort, press the physical menu or OSD button to open on-screen controls. Make sure any USB service ports aren't in use, and the input is active so the OSD shows the current picture. While in the OSD, you'll locate picture and image adjustment menus. Follow this immediate path so you can reach auto adjustment without extra navigation. Once in picture or image settings, move to the geometry or image control submenu where Samsung hides auto functions. You'll see labels like auto adjustment, auto config, or auto image. Select the entry. Press the joystick or appropriate button to activate it. The monitor will scan input timing and realign horizontal/vertical position, phase, and clock. Wait for the process to finish. You'll notice lines sharpen and the image center itself. If you need finer control, follow with manual phase or position tweaks in the same submenu. Finish by saving or exiting the OSD so changes persist. Then test common resolutions and refresh rates to confirm stability. If auto adjustment didn't correct alignment, make sure the cable is good and try another input. Bad cables often prevent proper edit and timing detection. Resetting the OSD to factory defaults can clear conflicting settings, and updating firmware or testing the monitor with a different computer helps isolate whether the issue is the display or the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.